Is it recording?
So like
Numbers counting up?
I can't even see it.
Are the numbers counting up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on. Is this supposed to be blinking?
Yeah, yours. No. Mine. I turned my light off.
Oh, then. Yeah, we're good. What?
Because it gives you away during night games.
We only play one night.
Is that mine?
No,
That's mine. Yeah. You want it?
No, I haven't.
Oh, okay.
I just bought one. He has mine.
You want to buy a rubber knife? $5?
Yeah.
That one?
No, this is not it. Sure. Isn't it Halo thing?
No, that's mine. I gave it to him. Like, I'll let him use it. All right.
Don't you just have a rubber knife right there?
Yeah, but that's his.
Hey, can I have a rubber knife? I'll steal it. Oh man, all I have is 10.
Alright, just get change or whatever.
Oh, you should just say I'll take the 20. Yeah, I'll take the 20.
I'm not gonna be a dick.
Oh man, all I have is 100. Would that do?
I don't think that's enough. I'll have to say no.
Here, have 200. How's that? A little more.
Asshole, taking my knives. Ah! Shank you. I'm gonna shank you in the shower.
Slenderman! Alright, guys! I'm gonna go, man. I already cocked it. Pull the bag out. Catch the bag. You should just like.
No.
Why pull the trigger? Oh shit! I'm a dumbass. Hold on. Yeah, I think your scope's down. Alright.
That sling is really annoying.
Yeah, I know. We're on your side. Which side were we on?
How many of your mags do you have for that?
2. I barely use 2 half the time.
Alright.
I'm usually fine. I was thinking about getting 3. So.
You should. I have 3. You fucker. What are you about to do?
I'm not about to do anything.
You should do something to me. I will shoot you.
Okay.
I'm just saying.
Are you on this one? What the hell do you think you're doing? Hey, where should I put this?
You do anything he says. If you do anything he says, I will shoot him and you.
I'm not gonna do anything he says.
Okay.
I'm not gonna. I'm just
You're
trying
gonna
to
be
see something about yourself.
Yeah, you're gonna try to rip it off.
I swear to God, I won't rip
Adam,
it.
I will shoot you so many times. What are you taking out of your pocket?
Huh?
What are you taking out of your pocket? Show me right now. I swear to God. I swear to
Can I
God.
see the sign?
What?
Can I see the sign? I'm gonna add something to it that I promise you can look at after the game. It's gonna be absolutely hilarious. It has nothing to do with penises or dicks. Oh no! Oh shit! Oh, I'm gonna kill you. Part of that just came off. Hold on. Let me go grab a zip tie. What happened? But I went to change my
What does it say? What does it say? What does it say? What does it say?
You know you're on the other side. You're over there, right?
Oh shit! I'm on the wrong team.
Yeah. No, just take off that. Just take off the tape.
Who just shot me? You're an asshole.
You're on that side. You're on that side.
I know.
Why are you over here? Again? Wait. What color is that?
Adam. Well, first of all, I'm on the wrong team.
Yeah, let me fix that.
And what did you just do?
Fix your sign.
What did you just do?
Hold on. Alright, I'll fix your sign after the game because this is gonna be annoying.
All right, now just rip it off.
No.
All right, whatever.
I promise you, it's not bad.
What's on there?
Nothing bad. It's funny though. They were laughing, weren't they? Guys, whatever you do, don't tell him what I did.
No. What is on my back? Tell me right now what's on my back.
Do not tell him.
What is on my back?
Do not tell him. I don't even know.
Oh, I know what it is. What is it?
I'll tell you.
Besides this cardboard thing, what's on the cardboard?
Do not tell him. Alright? Do not tell him. It says this.
Is that what it is?
Except they wrote it out.
You wrote penis?
It's an 8-bit cock. Hang on, let me see. Turn around. It's an 8-bit cock. Oh, that's black.
What is it? What is it?
It's a black guy 8-bit cock. This is a white guy 8-bit cock. That's a black guy 8-bit cock. Adam, I like your difference
nothing on your back.
between the white 8-bit cock.
There's definitely something. Is there nothing there?
Alright guys, capture the flag! Find the red unflag!
I'm not gonna shoot you, Adam. Alright, just start the game. I won't shoot you. Ugh.
Oh no, you're looking.
Yeah. There are guys in there in POW. Try to get them if you can. Hit! What are you doing?
What?
Where is that coming from?
Hey, what? I'm not doing anything.
Shut the fuck up, Adam. Shut up. Swear to fucking God, this kid. Oh my God.
Got 29 feet per second. Wait, what color are the flags?
You queer, you put a mic in my dump pouch. You fucker. That's pretty cool. Now I can talk to you.
That's right, asshole. Don't lose my walkie-talkie, though.
Hey, fuckface. You're a queer.
Me too.
Yo. What, Adam?
Evan!
What?
Careful with my radio, they're sensitive.
What the? What the hell? Hit! Halo! Halo! Memphis! Get Halo and tell him it's not shooting. It's not shooting. I put the mag in. I put the mag in, hit the bolt lock, and it's not shooting. I have no idea. I was sitting behind the Jeep for like... Damn it. I feel dumb. Yeah.
Hello?
I think I broke it. I'm just kidding. Yo, don't blind fire. Bang! Double out, double out. Hit! Let's go. Bang, bang! Bang, bang! I'm on your team. It's all right. Fuck you, Adam. He's friendly. Cocksucker. Fuck you, Adam! Ugh. Oh, shit.